Just a minute. Let's go back in time and discover something crucial. In May 2021, the billionaire Tesla CEO played the role of financial expert Lloyd Ostertag in a sketch during his hosting gig on SNL. The premise of the Weekend Update sketch was to explain Dogecoin. The host of Weekend Update, Michael Chi and Colin Jost, repeatedly pressed Musk's character to explain the perplexing nature of Dogecoin. "It's the future of currency," Musk responded once. "It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world." He said again, "I'll keep telling you, it's a cryptocurrency you can trade for conventional money." "Oh, so it's a hustle," Che replied. "Yeah, it's a hustle," Musk joked. "To the moon," he said as the segment wrapped up. Well, welcome back. Did you notice anything strange? Notably, the Elon Musk SNL episode successfully erased the season of torrid Dogecoin gains, and as he was hosting the show, Dogecoin briefly slumped by nearly 30%. According to analysts, it was likely a buy the rumor, sell the news strategy. Just in case you don't know, this is an old market adage based on the belief that the price of an asset may skyrocket as speculators buy it amid rumors of an event, then stagnate or dip when investors sell that asset to make a profit after the event. Most times, it's difficult to explain the incredible attachment Elon Musk has for Dogecoin. Ever since the successful Twitter takeover, there have been rumors about his impending decision to integrate Dogecoin into the microblogging platform. Currently, Musk has replaced Twitter's bird symbol with one of the coin, a Shiba Inu dog. Dogecoin seems to be enjoying the unexplainable attention as it shot up more than 30% after the symbol change. Perhaps what we all need is an influential personality screaming out our names in public, and then our fame arrives on a platter of gold. Following the change to the Twitter logo, Mr. Musk shared a meme about it on his Twitter account, which has more than 133 million followers. The move by the billionaire came after his lawyers asked a federal judge to throw out a $258 billion lawsuit accusing the entrepreneur of manipulating Dogecoin's price and driving it up by 36,000%. This would naturally mean trouble, right? Elon Musk is currently facing a $258 billion racketeering lawsuit after crypto investors accused him of intentionally inflating the price of Dogecoin. Now, pay attention to the word intentionally. Plaintiffs in the US case claim that Mr. Musk used his social media presence and appearance on Saturday Night Live to drive Dogecoin's price by more than 36,000% over 2 years and then just let it crash. The following allege that Mr. Musk used his pedestal as the world's richest man to operate and manipulate the Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Well, reading that, this definitely is getting interesting. However, according to lawyers for the tech billionaire, the lawsuit is a fanciful work of fiction and based on innocuous and often silly tweets about the cryptocurrency. There is nothing unlawful about tweeting words of support for or funny pictures about a legitimate cryptocurrency, his lawyers said. This court should put a stop to the plaintiff's fantasy and dismiss the complaint. The $258 billion figure is triple the estimated decline in Dogecoin's value in the 13 months following the price peak. But okay, we are going to address what might be currently running through your mind. What is the source of Musk's undying love for Dogecoin? Mr. Musk has previously revealed that Dogecoin is one of the 3 cryptocurrencies that he owns, alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. In a 2021 interview with Time magazine, he explained that Dogecoin had the financial fundamentals to serve as a mainstream form of currency. Even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is actually better suited for transaction than Bitcoin, he said. It is slightly inflationary, but that's actually good as it encourages people to spend rather than to hoard it as a store of value, he said. Then, in June of 2022, he said he would not sell his Dogecoin holdings regardless of the price fluctuations. "I will keep supporting Dogecoin," he tweeted, before confirming to a follower that he would keep buying it. Dogecoin is apparently spiking because people believe that Elon Musk could soon integrate a permanent Dogecoin payment system on Twitter. So, this is how mass adoption happens? Twitter has several million daily active users, many of them high profile, and even if it's just a small percentage begin transacting in Doge, whether as a joke or not, it is not completely irrational to speculate on translating that into a higher price. Also, Twitter already has payment or tipping features using the US dollar and the Bitcoin Lightning Network. However, the latter is rarely used, which gives some indications on how frequently the even less widely adopted and even less trusted crypto Dogecoin would or wouldn't be used. When we talk about prices, they're basically the only thing that matters in crypto, but rarely for any reason investors typically rely on them when evaluating the expected return of an asset. Instead, crypto prices are almost a perfect similitude of market sentiment. Remember that Elon Musk has manipulated the price of Dogecoin in the past. The first time happened, which was in early 2020, Doge jumped after the Tesla founder tweeted a meme. He apparently got a taste of something he enjoys because he pulled similar moves repeatedly, each time raising the stakes as the jokes grew stale. Going forward, he weighed in on a dispute between Doge traders and crypto exchange Binance, and also announced that Tesla, his car company, will allow Doge payments. Musk planned to bring Doge to space with a SpaceX satellite launch. Over 30-something tweets up to the end of 2022, Musk pumped the price of Doge by 4.5% on average, according to certain updates. Now, there is speculation that Musk might have been a massive Doge holder, although it is unknown how much, if any, he owns. But one thing is for certain. The Tesla billionaire is deeply interested in the Joe cryptocurrency. It's a comfortable point to note that Twitter's fate is about to change for good. Last year, Elon Musk confirmed that he intends to integrate payments into what he described as Twitter 2.0. While he made no mention of Doge in the tweet or attached slides, this didn't stop some investors from being hopeful that Dogecoin will be involved in some way. However, what seems outrageous is the introduction of Dogecoin as the new Bitcoin. I mean, how does this sound to you? The 51-year-old entrepreneur did explain the main reason behind his decision to support Dogecoin, after repeatedly mentioning it in the past, is that he collaborated with its developers. Lots of people I talked to on the production lines at Tesla or building rockets at SpaceX own Doge, Musk wrote on Twitter. They aren't financial experts or Silicon Valley technologists, and that's why I decided to support Doge. It felt like the people's crypto, he added. Musk didn't hesitate to joke that Dogecoin could actually become a reserve currency in the future. He told Times Magazine that the point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. Fate loves irony, and what would be the most ironic outcome? The currency that started out as a joke in fact becomes real currency. To the moon. And just a couple of months ago, Musk said in an interview that he would favor the introduction of Dogecoin as a transactional currency over the more popular Bitcoin. According to him, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency, and further conceded that even though Dogecoin was created as a joke, it was better suited for transactions. The total transaction flow you do with Dogecoin in transactions per day has a much higher potential than Bitcoin, he said. But what about Tesla's position on Bitcoin? Would there be a change of decision? Last year, Elon Musk took to Twitter to outline Tesla's position on Bitcoin. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. He had said, and that sounds pretty emphatic. Since it's from the mouth of the world's richest person, such statements should not be taken with a pinch of salt, but a shovel. A year after the tweet, what happened? Tesla sold most of its Bitcoin. The move is yet more bad news for Bitcoin and crypto more generally. Musk is an advocate of crypto and has helped hyped up currencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Now that Musk is completely focused on Dogecoin, will Bitcoin end up in the mud or be replaced with a joke? We acknowledge the fact that hype, especially from influential individuals, has sealed so many arguments and amassed a great deal of attention. However, we need to know the potential of a cryptocurrency, especially long-term, cannot be changed. Dogecoin was indeed pumped, but it will forever retain its identity as a joke. Pump or not, some investors are naturally not interested in Dogecoin. Many cryptocurrencies have a long journey ahead of them, so let's not ruin our expectations because of a short-term comfort. Of course, Dogecoin can be integrated into Twitter, but as long as no one can correctly predict the future, this is liable to change. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.